If you've ever found yourself lying awake at night, shifting uncomfortably, trying to ignore that persistent itch down there, please know this: you are not alone. Vaginal itching and discomfort are things many women experience, yet so few talk about openly. Whether it's a mild irritation or a distracting, painful itch that interferes with your daily routine, it can leave you feeling embarrassed, worried, or even ashamed. But here's the truth: your body is not broken. It's simply calling out for care, and you deserve to feel at peace in your body. At Glownest, we believe your body deserves kindness, not shame. That's why today, we're going to talk openly, gently, and honestly about one of the most common and quietly suffered issues in women's wellness: vaginal itching. Let's understand it together and discover natural, effective remedies you can try right at home. Before diving into remedies, it's important to understand why this happens. Vaginal itching can be caused by several different factors, and knowing the root helps you treat the problem, not just the symptoms. Here are the most common culprits. 1. Yeast infections caused by an overgrowth of Candida fungus. Symptoms include itching, thick white discharge, and redness. 2. Bacterial vaginosis, or BV, an imbalance in vaginal bacteria that leads to a fishy odor, gray discharge, and irritation. 3. Irritation from soaps or hygiene products. Many commercial products contain harsh chemicals, fragrances, and dyes that disturb your pH balance. Hormonal changes, especially around menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause, which can thin vaginal tissue and make it more sensitive. STIs or infections. Conditions like trichomoniasis or herpes can cause discomfort. Dryness or friction from tight clothing, synthetic underwear, or lack of lubrication during intimacy. Understanding your symptoms in context is key. If your discomfort is persistent, severe, or accompanied by unusual discharge or sores, always consult a healthcare provider. But for mild to moderate cases, home remedies can bring real, gentle relief. Let's look at some of the most effective, science-backed, and natural remedies that women have trusted for generations. These solutions are gentle, accessible, and can often be found right in your kitchen or bathroom. Yogurt isn't just great for your gut, it's also powerful for vaginal health. Why it works. Yogurt contains lactobacillus, a good bacteria that helps restore the vagina's natural flora and pH balance. Coconut oil is a natural antifungal and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Why it works? Well, it can combat candida overgrowth and reduce inflammation. This classic remedy is soothing, balancing, and detoxifying. Why it works? Apple cider vinegar helps restore vaginal pH and fights off harmful bacteria and yeast. Sometimes prevention is the most healing medicine. Why it works? Cotton allows your skin to breathe and reduces moisture buildup, which yeast loves. These calming herbs are nature's gentle anti-inflammatory allies. Why it works? Both herbs reduce irritation and have mild antimicrobial properties. Healing starts from within, and probiotics are one of the best defenses against recurring irritation. Why it works? Probiotics support healthy vaginal flora and prevent yeast and bacterial imbalances. Dear sister, if you've been struggling silently with vaginal itching and discomfort, I want you to know that your journey toward healing can begin right now. You don't have to feel embarrassed, alone, or confused. Every woman's body speaks in its own unique way, and when it asks for love, you have the power to listen and respond with compassion. Start with one remedy that feels right for you. Try it gently, give your body a few days, be patient, and most importantly, remember that you are worthy of comfort, ease, and radiant health. Let today be the day you choose softness over shame. If you found this guide helpful, share it with a friend who might need it too. Healing happens in the community, and Glownest is always here to support you. New viewers subscribe to my channel.